Hello my dear students. Today I am going to explain how to find addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal. So let's just start from how to find addition of decimal number. Okay. Let me write over here one example. .42 0.9 0.323 okay and 14 okay. This is your example. So first we convert the given decimal into like fraction. First we convert all the numbers into like fraction. Okay, here given number, your first number is 36.42. Okay, and after that second number is 9.2. Third is 0.323 and the last number is 14. Okay, so first we check right place number. Here given, this is your left place number because in 14 given only number. Okay, so start from here. Your ones place number is 2 and tens place number is 4. In this digit only given after decimal given 2 numbers. Okay, and in this digit after decimal given digit only one digit, and in this after decimal given 3 digits. Okay, so here 3 digits. So first we write 0.323. Okay, after that here 36. So first we write 36 and 2. So here how many numbers are left? Only one number. So write here 10. Okay. After that your next number is 0.9. 0. Start from here 0.9 and after 9 how many numbers? 2 numbers. So write here 20. After that your last digit is 14. So where we write 14? Here? No. Here write 14. After 14 we take decimal point and write how many numbers? How many digits? 3 digits. So write 30. Okay. Clear? How to convert the given numbers in like fraction? After that start addition. 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Answer is 3. 2 plus 2, 4. 3 plus 4, 7. And 7 plus 9, 16. So write here 6. After that, in the place of decimal, we mention decimal. And one carry from, take from here. Okay. So 6 plus 4, 10. 10 and 1, 11. Write here 11. 1 and carry 1. 3 plus 1 4 and 1 5. So your answer is 51.643. So now clear how to find addition of any decimal? Okay. After that now I am going to explain how to find subtraction. Subtract 13 from 19.02. Okay. Subtract 13 from 19.02. So first we your first step is first we convert all the given numbers into like fraction. Okay. So 19.02. subtract. Here given only 30. So write here 13 and after take here point and 20. So these are like fraction because in this digit after decimal 2 digit and here and in this digit also after decimal given 2 digit. So we start subtraction. 2 minus 0, 2. 0 minus 0, 0. And the place of point, we take point. After that, 9 minus 3, 6. So your answer is 3.02. Now clear how to find subtraction of a decimal number? Okay, let me explain with one another example. Subtract 47.53 from 55.324. Okay. So we check here. Here after decimal, how many numbers are given? 1, 2, 3, and here only 2. So first we convert given number into like fraction. Like fraction. Right here 14.530. Okay. 4 minus 0, 4, and here 2. So we take carry from here. So the place of 2, 12. 12 minus 3, 9. And here again 2. So we take carry from here. So here 12 in the place of 2, 12. And here 4. 12 minus 5, 7. And after that, in the place of decimal point, we take point. And here 4 minus 7? No. So we take carry from here. 14 minus 7. Answer is 7.794. So now clear how to find addition and subtraction of a decimal number? Okay. After that, my next topic is how to find what? Multiplication and division. Multiplication. Multiplication of decimal. Multiplication of decimal. Then 67.23 multiplied by 10. So in this condition, first we remove decimal from here, and after decimal, how many digits are given? 2 digits. So write here 20 means 100. Okay, and 0 cancel. After that 6, 7, 2, 3 divided by 10, and then we divide 10 divide 6, 7, 2, 3. 10 6 ja 16. 7. 10 7 ja 70. Okay, we write here 3 and 10 2 ja 20. After that 3. Here take point 0. 10 3 ja 30. So your answer is 672.3. This is your simple multiplication. After that, your next is how to find multiplication of 5.43 multiplied by 15. First we solve simple multiplication. Okay, simple multiplication. 5 3s are 15. Write 5. Carry 1. 5 4s are 20. And 1. 21. Carry 2. 5 5s are 25. 26. 27. 3 4 5. 5 4 1 and 8. And after that we check in question decimal given after how many places? 2. So write here after 2 places, 2 place of decimal. This is your answer, 81.45. Okay. And the last topic is how to find division of decimal. Okay. Division of decimal. When question is given 65.5 divided by 5. So we solve like this: 5 6 7.5. Okay, 5 ones are 5 and 7. 5 threes are 15. 2. After that, in the place of decimal, we here decimal and 5. So 5 5s are 25. So your answer is 13.5. Now clear how to find division of decimal? Now all topics are clear how to find addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of decimal. So my topic is completed. Bye students.